Good evening friends, I am Devashish. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel Beast Returns. I hope you guys are all fine now. Today I am going to discuss on tomorrow's NBA match. This is a semi-final match. Remember it, semi-final match between Brooklyn Nets and Milwaukee Bucks. This match is good for the GL purpose. So I am uploading this video for you and watch till the end and make your own combination. Okay friends, now first of all I am going to discuss on the Brooklyn Nets first. From the point guard section you will get the Kyrie Irving. From the shooting guard portion you will get James Harden. From small forward portion Joe Harris. Power forward Kevin Durant. Center portion Blake Griffin. This is going to be the starting five of Brooklyn Nets. Now, what will be the bench player of Brooklyn Nets? Let's discuss about this topic. From the point guard portion, you will get T. Johnson and Mike James. From the shooting guard portion, you will get only the Landry Shamet. From the small forward portion, you will get Bruce Brown. From the power forward portion, you will get Jeff Green. Remember, Jeff Green is in GTD. Remember this, he might play or might not be play. So my best suggest for you, ignore Jeff Green and Amit Johnson. Okay friends, now move to the center portion. From the center portion you will get only Nick Claxton. Jordan is not playing and RPD is not playing, so ignore them. Now I am discussing on the Milwaukee Bucks starting five. First of all, from the point guard section you will get Joe Holiday. From the shooting guard portion you will get no one going to play from here. From the shooting guard portion DiVincenzo might open. From the small forward portion, wait friend, from the small forward portion Chris Middleton is going to open or start. From the power forward portions Giannis Antetokounmpo. 1 minute friends, Giannis Antetokounmpo, the name is enough. He is my first choice SP. Remember this, Giannis Antetokounmpo is the best player of NBA for me. Now from the center portion you will get the Brook Lopez in the starting five. So friends, this is going to be the starting five or the starters of the Milwaukee Bucks team. Now I am going to discuss about the bench player of Milwaukee Bucks. Now in the point guard sections Jeff Taggy is going to play, but I don't think he will get more time. 5 minute approx he will get 5 minutes, but this is a semi-final round, so please ignore him if you want to win the GL. Now from the shooting guard portion you will get the DiVincenzo, Ben Forbes. Remember this player Ben Forbes in the 6.5 credit in SL you can try. You can try this player, and other players like Eve Bryant and A. Tofain and Sergio Marley is not going to play from this team. From the small forward portion Pat Connaughton is going to play. And T. Antetokounmpo is GTT. It means game time decisions, but my best suggestions, ignore this player. This is a semi-final round, so no team coach will take the risk. From the power forward portion you will get the P. Tucker. He is going to come from the bench. He is a bench player. Remember this. To save the credit you can pick P. Tucker from the power forward. Now from the center portion you will get Ben Portis only. He is a good player. Try him in the GL Grand League in 1 or 2 combination. Okay friend, now let me do some combination for you. Now I am going to pick Jay Holiday first. From the point guard sections, from the shooting guard portion I am going to pick the Jay Harden and Ben Forbes. From the small forward portion, I am going to pick Bruce Brown. From the power forward portion, I am going to pick Giannis Antetokounmpo, Kevin Durant, and credit is not allowed. So from the center portion, I am going to pick Brook Lopez, Nick Claxton, and 7 credit left. You can pick P. Tucker from the power forward portion, or you can pick Pat Connaughton from the small forward portion. This is the first combination from me. Giannis Antetokounmpo is my first choice SP for today's match. James Harden will be my second choice SP. Remember this, friend. And Jrue Holiday will be my third choice PP and SP. So interchange this player, Giannis Antetokounmpo, James Harden, and Jrue Holiday. Now discuss another combination, like if I pick from here T Johnson. Now so friends, you can pick from the point guard portions T Johnson. From the shooting guard portion, you can pick James Harden and Ben Forbes. From small forward portion, you can pick Chris Middleton. From power forward portion, you can pick Giannis Antetokounmpo. And from the center portion, you can pick Brook Lopez, B. Portis, and Blake Griffin. And the team preview will be like this. And from here, as I said, Giannis Antetokounmpo will be my first choice SP, and James Harden will be my second choice SP. You can interchange this SP or PP. You can make Giannis Antetokounmpo SP or PP and James Harden as SP or PP. Chris Middleton is another great option for you. You can make him PP. Now let's look another combination. First of all, I can take Jeff Green from the power forward portion, or I can take Joe Harris from the small forward portion. The combination will be like this. You can do these combinations, and the SP choice and the PP choice are mentioned. SP choice and the PP choice are mentioned earlier. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let me make another combination for you. Friends, this is another combination. You can pick the Kyrie Irving from the point guard portions and T Johnson. From the shooting guard portion, you can pick only the Ben Forbes. From small forward, you can pick Joe Harris. From the power forward portion, I have take the Giannis Antetokounmpo and Kevin Durant. From the center portion, you can pick Blake Griffin and Brook Lopez. Another option will be, you can pick B. Portis from the center portion. Otherwise, you can pick DiVincenzo from the shooting guard portion. Now you can pick the Pat Connaughton or P. Tucker. Okay, friends. Now, otherwise you can pick J. Harden. And now you can pick in the 7 credit Pat Connaughton. This is another combination. You can make these combinations, and again I am saying Giannis Antetokounmpo will be my first choice SP, James Harden second choice, and Kyrie Irving in this team will be the third choice SPPP choice. Now you can take Bruce Brown or Mike James from the point guard sections in the GL, or you can try Jeff Taggy or Blake Griffin. This is another Grand League combination. I need one credit to make another combination, but I am unable to make this combination. So friends, you can pick 7 credit P. Tucker. This is an important Grand League combination. So friends, this is an important GL combination. Those who are watching till the end, this combination is very important, and this is 100% sure this combination will win at least top 100. It will get top 100 rank. So make this combination. Once again I am repeating, Granit Antetokounmpo will be my first choice SP, James Harden will be my second choice SPPP choice, and you can make Kevin Durant third choice SPPP. Okay friends, now make your own combination, try your luck and win the GL. If my analysis is good, please subscribe my channel and press the all bell icon, like my video, and once again join the Telegram. Link is given in the description. Thank you friend. My health is not good, so take care. Bye bye.